Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. We return to an earlier story. Commuters are being promised improvements to the road linking Montpelier in St. James to surrounding parts. The update came from the authorities amidst ongoing issues in traversing the area. Details in this report.
The main thoroughfare in Montpelier, St. James, has been a sore point for motorists and commuters in recent months. The road was dug up for a pipe-laying project between Shettlewood to Montpelier, a project managed by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. The government is pumping $700 million, and once complete, it is expected to bring piped water to thousands of residents in Hanover and St. James.
What it is going to do is take the water from the source at Shettlewood and take it up the hill into Anchovy Square, essentially, and then gravity feed it back down to the residents.
However, after Hurricane Melissa, it was back to the drawing board for the contractors. The pipes which were laid were damaged, and the poor road condition made worse.
When Hurricane Melissa struck, around 120 meters of that same pipeline that was already installed was washed out, as well as damage to the roadway, etc. Immediately we did our assessment and we commenced the reconstruction of the road, now to include the pipeline, which has extended the period that residents have had to face the inconvenience. However, we're really here today because, as the contractor has ascertained, he is now well instructed and well capable to begin that restoration. So we're going to take a look at some of that works today, and we expect that in short order that this inconvenience will be taken away.
While acknowledging the importance of the water project, Member of Parliament for Southwest St. James stressed the need for the road to be rehabilitated.
This road is very important to us. It connects us to two of our major high schools. It also is the conduit for residents not just from South St. James but Westmoreland and Hanover and St. Elizabeth to get to Montego Bay, to get to hospital, to get to food, to get to recreation.
Works Minister Robert Morgan outlined the scope of work ahead.
The contractor will be repairing approximately 4 kilometers of road, some of which were disturbed by the pipe and some of which were damaged by Hurricane Melissa and overall degradation. He'll be overlaying from Mount Carey to Montpelier totally, while patching work will take place in other sections. Not only that, but there will be about 400 meters of drains that will be repaired or built on this road in order to ensure that when the road is repaired, that the rain and water, flood water, do not further damage the road.
Work is expected to begin on Monday. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.